The leading feature of the CNWX is its unique impeller, which consists of a conventional non-clog impeller with a spirally shaped internal passage. The impeller's construction allows the flow inside the impeller to be guided smoothly from an axial direction to the radial direction with a spiral movement. Also, foreign matter that flows into the impeller isn't drawn into a low-pressure part at the impeller's center. This special impeller realizes both high pump efficiency and foreign matter pass-through capability. Is the new impeller's ability to allow foreign objects to pass through it really so outstanding? And can we actually witness the spiral suction flow passage? Let's try a set of severe conditions and have foreign objects liable to cause clogging pass through the pump. First, let's try a towel. Clogging occurs with the conventional vortex-type pump. What do you think will happen in the case of the non-Clog Scroll Submersible Pump? As you can see here, even an item such as a towel, which is liable to become entangled, passes through the pump without clogging it. Next, a 3-inch ball. Even at this size, the ball passes through the pump with ease. Finally, we pass a t-shirt through the pump. Even a t-shirt, which is liable to clog the pump, passes right through. As you can see, our new pump has outstanding ability to allow foreign objects to pass through it, even under severe conditions. By using this pump, clogging-related problems will be reduced. This can cut your cost of maintenance, including cost of emergency action to remove clogged objects.